Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Eufy X8 Robovac and you're wondering how long do you need to wait for it to charge up once you have hooked it back up. So real quickly, now obviously this depends on how discharged it was when it went on to charge, but just to give you some sort of some numbers that will give you an idea of what's going on is if you have a totally dead battery on your vacuum cleaner, it will take about 4 to 5 hours for it to go from 0% charge up to 100% charge. Now, a 100% charged battery that's in good condition will vacuum for about 150 minutes. So that's about 2.5 hours of vacuuming before the battery is completely dead. So you can kind of calculate in terms of how long it's been charging, how long you've been vacuuming, in terms of like how much battery you have left and how long you need to let it charge. If you do think your battery's not holding a charge anymore, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get a replacement battery for this vacuum. It's about $50 and it's worth it if the battery's not holding a charge.